On this last example, just want you to see that it's the same. It's the same as an equation. I'm going to use all the same strategies. I'm going to be aware of these two things as I'm solving, but everything else is the same. So you already know how to do this. On the left side, I look, can anything be simplified? No. These are not like terms. There's no multiplication. I'm bringing down the sign. There's some distribution over here. I'm going to do that. Okay, so this equation is going to be a little bit longer, but nothing's really going to be different from what I've already learned. I have a choice right now. I could subtract 3x from both sides, or I could subtract 10x from both sides. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. If you subtract 3x, you're going to end up with the x on the right, and you're going to have to flip it at the end. If I subtract 10x, you're going to end up with a negative x over here, and you're going to have to flip the sign when you divide. Either way is okay. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. Let's do it this way. If you're feeling a little feisty, you can go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides and make sure you get the same answer as me. Notice I'm bringing down the sign. I'm bringing down everything else. I'm not going to forget this negative 15 here. 3 minus 10, I have more negatives than positives. This is negative 7x. Okay, now I'm looking to get x by itself. I'm going to add 1. This is negative 7x. I have more negatives than positives. That's negative 14. Here, I'm dividing. X is being multiplied by negative 7. I'm dividing by negative 7. And right at this step, you should have like a little boop, 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 boop going off, because you should be thinking, oh, I'm dividing by a negative. I have to remember to take this sign and flip it around. Okay, so notice the sign flipped here. Notice I flipped it. Okay, this cancels. X is greater than. Negative divided by negative is positive. This is positive 2. Okay, and my x is on the left. I'm good. This is x is greater than or equal to 2, which looks like this. Close circle, because it's equal to, and then greater than. Those numbers that are greater than 2 are off to the right of 2. All right, so you can see it solves just like an equation. The only thing that I had to be aware of was this moment when I flipped the sign. Okay.